na, sir? Ay, sige, sir. Officiating officials, have mas ubay-ubay na ini. Coaches, mabu. Aha. Alright. Daghan lang ini coaches karon. Alright. So at this juncture, na-refresh na mga tanan sa rules. Perfect na dira Sir Alfie ang buwan. Diagonal. So netouch dito dili. Okay, sabi na. Okay, so at this point, ladies and gentlemen, to discuss to us or to refresh our mind, let's have once again our overall tournament manager for the discussion of the rules of the game. Ladies and friends, let's give a round of applause to Mr. Arnel A. Aventuna for formally discussing his topic.
Okay. So, Rickson Landa, ihatag na muna Sir Bernard Wandot from Dalagete 1. Sir? National High School. So, hibaw na mo sa history, kinsa nyo nag-create ng volleyball. So, nag-internet na tawa, then karoon yung volleyball, sige sa man. William G. Morgan. So, na yung answer na. So, mulit sa nata sa volleyball in the Philippines.
Hello, good morning once again. Okay, so okay na pa din natin kita? Okay, makakaroon. Okay, naman tayo dito sa lilid, dito sa okay, so when was the volleyball being popular in the Philippines? So according to the historical accounts, it was during the 1910, about 15 years from the foundation of Internet, now popularly named as volleyball. Okay. Then, on July 4, 1961, so Sir Thomas Castro, the name when the Justice Romano Lasco, together with Mr. Jose Reyes, the Director for Playground and Recreation Bureau, and with Mr. Tommy Teng, the businessman. The objective was to organize the Volleyball Association in the Philippines under the Philippine Amateur Athletic Federation or PAAF. This gave birth to the Philippine Amateur Volleyball Association or the PAVA. Ang gano'n mo sa naman doon? PNVF. Okay. So with the main objective, encourage, promote, and develop sports volleyball throughout the country. So ang volleyball roon sa Pilipinas is popular na sila through like the AP, NCAA, and we have also challenge like the VQL. Okay? Then, okay, so there are incidents of the PAVA sa una. So from 1961 to 2002, so ayun, early 2000, ang main pagkain sa governing body sa Philippines is PAVA. So until pagka 2003, ngayon ko siyang BNBF. So ang sa latest na lang during 2003 to 2006, it was Mr. Roger Valenzuela. Then, 2013 to 15, we have Mr. W. Carl Jeffrey Chan II, acting president. Then, sa LDP, it was Mr. Jose Roasanta. Okay, so It was the Filipino volunteers who invented the Filipino bomb. What's up is that? Now it's called the spike. Okay, then it is also the Philippine volleyball introduces libero. Okay, so the Philippine bomb, okay, kaya sa mga nagpihit sa mga ito, Prince and Naintintan, Philippine bomb or gas spike. So Olympic status, beach volleyball, 1996, then the volleyball is 1964 sa Tokyo. Okay, so 3 hits. The first hit is the reception. Prevent the ball from touching your court and pass it to the server. When I first hit, di ba? Or from the serve, akan ka siya service receive. Okay, or reception. Ang second hit is what we call the set. It could be overhead or back set. So, the play the ball to the place where the attacker do his job. Okay, so it could be sit to the opposite side, or the opposite side, middle, or right. Then the third hit is try to make a kill, routing the ball to the opponent's court, or spike. Hit the ball as hard as you can, or hit the ball to the place where you tao, or where the deep side. Okay. As far as you can school, game characteristics of volleyball. Okay. So another view of volleyball. What is the objective of the game? Anybody? What is the objective of the game? Sir Cyrus?
Objective of the volleyball games is to play and to save the ball.
Play to save the ball. Isave sa maraming tao. How about sa coaches? Okay, coaches. Yes, ma'am.
So, volley the ball over the net.
Volley the ball over the net. Sa saan? Dapat lain? Yes, sorry ko.
To touch the ball on the opponent's court or the side.
Okay, sakto saan para maka-score. Yes. So, volley the ball to the opponent's court and make the ball down to the opponent's court. Eh, di ba talaga kung volley na permit? Yes. O, di ba, pag volley na, o volley permit, hindi na-score. Hindi na daw? Di ba? Okay, so, save the ball touching your court and court is forcing a fault by your opponent. All with 3 hits maximum. Okay, katulungan yung kain, di kapon, di na kapatan, di na kalimaan, kaya hindi na siya. Okay, so this will be the rules sa refereeing. Okay, so, tara. Natin yung record dito. Passing the ball, pinning at provide the points. So first, we have service. Okay, how are you going to define service? So, Ronnie.
Okay, service. Paano ko answer, ma'am? Yes.
Serving the ball to the opponent's court or to what? Tapos na sa niya. Start the game or to initiate the game. Okay. Then, jumping power, and attack. Then we also rotation of our players sa the court. Explosive action and then defense. Okay. So sa serve, so kung sa may rotation sa mga players during the service. Clockwise or clockwise? Clockwise. service. Anti-floater, jump floater, jump serve, okay? And then, okay, jumping power is on the attack side. Okay, together with explosive action, which is that spike. Okay, then attack, defense. Okay, so we have, in our team, we have one or two dedicated defensive player. And they are the liberos. Okay. So understanding the rules better allows a better play, coaches that play better team structure, and tactics allowing players a full range to display their skills. Right, Kani? So, I know, some of the coaches na nagkaroon diri is ang bago pa. Ang uban, not to sports, but by virtue of your choice, nakakaroon ng palala. Eh, sila marga, bulukan. Okay. So, sa mga coaches, please pay attention kay this is very important para ninyo o para sa inyong mga players. Okay. Then understanding the relationship between rules allows officials to make better decisions. Okay, the competition. Okay, so volleyball as a competitive sport. Okay, first, it gathered strength, best of abilities, spirit of teamwork, creativity, and disciplines or techniques or tactics. Okay, then we competition a volleyball for retaining distinctive and essential elements like the service, rotation, taking turns to serve, attack, and defense. Then, one of the team objective sa mga players sa mga teams is keep the ball flying. Tumahimog yun, o walang lalapang na bulang, dapat may ball. Hindi pa. So, keep the ball flying. So, very basic no. Inanglang wala mula kung pasan mo nga korte. Para yung kami mata, tungkos. Okay. So, the referee will clear the framework of volleyball. Okay. As a referee, to be fair to every participant. So, inanglang, wala'y dapigan. Appreciating. Okay. Para nakinuha ka, nakinuha ka pitutin, ayaw. Kaya nagawa ko, ito. Pero, hindi ko, working happening, ayaw ko. Mabayas ko niya. Sa hindi bayas, naman pa ka-refer nga, nagawa na, ang bayas ka siya. Okay. Sa fair mo pa referring, fair mo pa ka sa game, although, hindi mo kailangan mga side points. Sabi na napinte, kontra. Diba? Then, to be viewed as fair by the spectator. Sad. Not only by the coaches and by the players na nagawa, but also by the spectators. And the referee must be trusted to allow entertainment by being accurate in rendering judgment. Okay. Una na ito, kung sa ang first ref, hindi makabantay sa pagtungkol sa tula kay pas-pas. Nakantay na yung judges. Kunya, nagtibag yung decision tawag sa first referee. Alam nila kayo sa sinatang sa local, wala kayo challenge system. Okay, tawag sa first ref. O sa magka, sa to, inside, outside. Diba? Inside, outside. Kung two against one, inside. Now, okay. Then, my understanding why the rule is written. Okay. Why is it there is a rule? Ano ba may rule in the game?
Para wala realities.
Okay, very basic. To avoid chaos, right? Wala yung latisan, wala yung diskusyonan. Kaya it is written to the rule. It is stated to the rule, right? Hey, then guys, what Okay. All the volleyball rules are modified, which should adhere to the governing bodies or governing body rule. Then, by being an efficient organizer, what again is mapping out the guide phone. It is the outcome of the organizer or the committee. We have to take every consideration. Kung ngayon, mali ay ang